Hello everyone. This is how to build my Lego custom field artillery. Yeah. Okay, so first thing you need to know is it's really just 5 sub builds. So first, the barrel. Second, the wheels. Third is this, I actually don't know what this is called. Fourth is just this main body. And fifth is a shield. Okay, so first is the wheels. So you need 2 of these thin kind of disc with holes in the piece. And you need 2 tires for them. You need 2 of these little stoppers. And you need 1 7 stud long Technic pin. And you also need 1 of these 2x2 plates with the anti-studs replaced with the 2 technicals. Second of all is this main kind of chamber. So this, you need, in this configuration, a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 jumper plate, this wheel piece, the 1x2 with 2x2 with wheel pin piece, you need a 2x2 plate and a 1x2 plate in this configuration. So then is this the barrel, which how I made it was 3 round studs, but you can just use like the cylinder piece. Now one of these double Technic pin connector and a double Technic pin. Now really you can just use any parts to make the barrel that just it really it's what you think looks good, but this worked for me. So then is the shield, which is just 3 pieces, a 4x4 plate, this 2x2 slope piece, and this a little bit more uncommon piece, this 1x2 by I believe 1 2/3 plates tall snot brick. So yeah, and just like this. Up last we have this. This I still don't know what this is called. But this is really simple. It's one of these hinge pieces. So one of these sets in this configuration attached to 2 1x2 by 3 plates bricks. Now I used these textured ones, but you can really use any of them. These are just the ones I had available. Okay, so once you have all of these, you can start to make it. So grab your wheels and your chamber and put them like so. Then grab your shield, put it like so. Then grab your barrel and put it middle here like so. So now you have just the main gun, and then the last part to add this, upside down like this. Now remember, just keep in mind that how this goes. Put it like so. So now you have your field artillery, and you can just kind of change the angling of it with this assembly. It is kind of loose, but it's whatever. Okay, so there you have the custom LEGO field artillery. I might do some more tutorials in the future, but just, yeah, if you like this, then consider checking out my other stuff on my channel, and yeah, bye.